Hello, this is John Lewis, and welcome to your Azure Daily Minute for Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. Microsoft has announced the general availability of route maps for Azure Virtual WAN. As published on April 15th, route maps control route advertisements and routing for virtual WAN virtual hubs. Route maps control the routing that enters and leaves Azure Virtual WAN through site-to-site, point-to-site, ExpressRoute, and virtual network connections. A route map is an ordered sequence of one or more rules that are applied to routes received or sent by the virtual hub. Each route map comprises of 3 sections. First, match conditions. Second, actions to be performed. And third, apply to a connection. Route maps can be used to summarize routes when on-premises networks are limited by the number of routes that can be advertised to or from a virtual hub. Route maps can also be used to control routes entering and leaving a virtual WAN deployment from on-premises and virtual networks. Network engineers can control routing decisions in a virtual WAN deployment by modifying a border gateway protocol attribute to make a route more or less preferable. This is helpful when there are destination prefixes reachable by multiple paths and customers need to control the best path selection. System Center 2025 is now generally available. Delivering System Center 2025 concurrently with Windows Server 2025 allows users to plan upgrades and make the most out of new capabilities to optimize virtualized software-defined data centers. Virtual Machine Manager 2025 supports management of heterogeneous infrastructure with a single management plane and includes Azure Stack HCI 23H2 clusters and supports VMs running the latest versions of Linux. And that wraps up the Azure Daily Minute for Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. Until next time, take care and go build great things.